Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the basics of finance. In just 10 minutes, we'll help you understand how to manage your money more effectively. If you want to learn more about personal finance and money management, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding personal finance. Personal finance is all about managing your money, including your income, expenses, savings, and investments. It's essential to understand the basic principles of finance to ensure you make smart decisions and reach your financial goals. 2. Budgeting and expense tracking. The first step in mastering your finances is creating a budget. A budget is a plan that helps you allocate your income to different expenses like rent, groceries, utilities, and savings. Track your expenses regularly to understand where your money goes and identify areas where you can cut back. 3. Saving an emergency fund. Saving is a critical aspect of personal finance. Aim to save at least 10 to 20% of your income each month. Additionally, establish an emergency fund containing 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund can be a lifesaver during unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. 4. Debt management. Managing debt is essential in personal finance. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, should be prioritized and paid off as soon as possible. When it comes to student loans or mortgages, make sure to understand the interest rates and create a plan to pay them off in a reasonable time frame. 5. Understanding credit. Your credit score is a crucial factor in your financial life. It can impact your ability to get loans, credit cards, or even rent an apartment. Make sure to pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid opening too many new credit accounts to maintain a good credit score. 6. Investing basics. Investing is a powerful tool to grow your wealth over time. Diversify your investments by spreading your money across various assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Be cautious with high-risk investments, and consider speaking with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. 7. Retirement planning. Planning for retirement is crucial for your financial future. Start contributing to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA early in your career. Make the most of employer matching programs, and consider increasing your contributions as your income grows. 8. Financial goals. Set realistic and achievable financial goals to stay motivated and on track. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or starting your own business, having clear goals helps you prioritize your spending and make smarter financial decisions. 9. Regular financial checkups. Regularly review your financial situation to ensure you're on track to achieve your goals. Adjust your budget and savings plan as needed to accommodate life changes, like getting a raise or having a child. There you have it. By following these basic principles of finance, you'll be well on your way to mastering your money and achieving financial success. Remember, knowledge is power. Keep learning and stay tuned for more informative videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.